Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Currently, I've been using the Galaxy S25 Edge every day. This has become my official main SIM card. I've shuffled some numbers around. Now my SIM card is in here, and it's been in there since I got this phone. So I will follow up on the phone itself later. I've been giving you videos here and there, but I'm just going to keep using it. So with that being said, when I got the phone, I ordered this case right here from Samsung. This is their official case. I got it in blue because, I got the blue phone, and it's been good. It is a silicone case, and there's not a lot of options out there for this phone right now. Finding a case for this phone is going to be very difficult right now. It's still fairly new. Now, you would think that a lot of OEMs would have had a lot of stuff ready to go at launch like they normally do, but they did not. And maybe the OEMs didn't get wind of it until too late, or Samsung didn't send out dummy units for them to make their cases. But point is, I found another case besides this one, and hopefully I'll be able to bring you more content with cases, because I typically do a lot of case reviews on phones, but I can give you an update on this case. It's been pretty good. It has grip when it's in my pocket, but it's a silicone case, and it's really nice, and it's very expensive. That's the thing about this one. So this is an official Samsung case. If you want to step out on a limb and get something different, there are very few options out there. So I bought this case right away because I knew there were no options on this phone. But today I decided to head over to Best Buy, and I grabbed this clear case right here. Now, you guys know I'm not even a clear case type of guy, but there's not very many options. And all of the cases that I saw for what they were priced at, I was like, no way. I said, nope, not going to do it. So I really wanted to get the that Samsung case, like that faux leather case, but it's $70, and then it's on sale at Best Buy for $50. So I said, okay, I'm going to get it, but they only have the black color, and I wanted the blue color. So I decided to grab this case right here. It's an Insignia hard shell case, 60% recycled TPU. So this case only costs $14, folks. So that is why I grabbed it up. So you can see here, you can pause it and take a look at all this right here. 6 feet of drop protection. So that's really good, because I have actually dropped this phone multiple times in that Samsung case, and it held up pretty well. But this is a lot more sturdy, and it's just a clear case, folks. So it comes in this packaging right here. And remember, this is 60% recycled TPU. So, yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Super clear. So I want to make sure that it's cleaned off before I put it on. One thing about this case already I don't like is that it's got slippery sides. The whole case is kind of the same material. So this isn't any kind of grippy around here. But again, remember, I'm not a clear case type of guy, but I decided to go ahead and grab this because I really like the color of this phone, and I wanted something that's going to be a little bit different in texture and feel in the hand than the Samsung silicone case. So, right away, I like this. I'm going to go ahead and rock this out. I'm got to get some little dust particles and stuff in here, but in the end, clear cases show everything. So it also shows off the color of your phone. Now with this case, this is a more rugged style case, but it's just clear. And so with that, you have a huge surrounding areas around the camera, so you can lay it down either way. Yeah, this is going to be, this phone is one of those phones that if you lay it flat, it rocks, but I'm not too concerned about that. But you have tons of camera protection now, as you can see there. So again, this is a clear case. So depending on what color phone you have, you're going to show off the color of your phone, which I think that's cool. And again, I'm not a clear case person, but I just wanted something different. I got tired of wearing that silicone case because I typically don't buy a lot of silicone cases, but that one from Samsung is really nice. Now, if you look here in the corners, you can see it has little areas there for the drop protection. You can see there's little markings there. Right there. They're on all four. And then on the back of each corner here, you get a little foot area like there. But it's not on this side because obviously it's got this big, ginormous camera module protection right there. And on the front here, big lip protection around there, just like the Samsung case. But you've got more than enough. Even if you don't have a screen protector, you got more than enough to get it done. So anyway, this is what it looks like here. It is a clear case. It's simply just for protection and to show off your color of your phone ultimately. But for $14, it's a start. Now, I could have went on Amazon and found some for $9 and stuff like that, but I just wanted to run into Best Buy and, get something locally, and that's just what I did. So I jumped online last night, placed the order. It was ready for pickup today, and one of them picked it up, and here it is, the Insignia hard shell case for your Galaxy S25 Edge. What do you think about this one, folks? Think it's cool? I like it.